Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see the composition, letter writing 1 and 2. Composition, leave letter. So how to write leave letter, we have to follow the some format. Every educated person should know how to write a clear and reasonable letter. Everyone has sometimes to write a business letter of some sort and may have to face the problem of writing an important letter that will vitally affect his interests in life. The art of letter writing is therefore no more ornamental accomplishment but something that every educated person must acquire for the practical reasons. Let's see. So, an introduction to letter writing with the advent of emails and the modern technology. The concept of writing letters has taken a back seats, but the style persists, and the people use while writing emails. Drafting letters demands the meticulous attention. One should be careful about what is being written. So, following are some adjective types of writing: headings, greetings or salutation, communication or messages, subscription, signature, and subscription on envelopment. So we have to follow a letter bridges communicate gap between two or more parties. A letter can create awareness, inform or provoke a thought in receive or the mass. A well written letter is a good way to express one's feelings. A heartfelt letter acts as a personal memoir and may be perceived by the preserved by the receiver. The types of letter learns the categorized into two types. Letter formal letter, another one is informal letter. So the formal letter is called the official, informal letter is called the personal letter. So the following points we have to follow. The heading consists of writer's address or date. Next one, the courteous greetings or salutation. Next step, communication or message, the body of the letter. Another one, fourth point, subscription or courteous, the leave taking or conclusion, the signature and subscription on the envelopment. So let's see. Leave letter. It's divided into two. One is the planned, another one is the unplanned leave letter. So planned leave letter is included the marriage. So it's a planning. So before we take the leave, we have to plan. So marriage functions, festivals, tours, and travels, etc., etc. At the same time, unplanned leave letters. So how to? It's a suddenly it will happen. So unfortunately, so the illness, death, natural disaster, and lockdowns, etc., etc. So a letter should have the following parts: a date and address of the writer. So that means it's the address of the sender, date and address of the sender, address of the recipient. So the address of the receiver. So the salutation or courteous greetings. Formal, we have to write the salutation, sir or dear sir, respected sir or madam. Informal, my dear father, my dear uncle, my dear friend, a hi dear. So we have to write like this. The body of the letter, subscription or courteous leave taking. Formal, you are sincere, faithfully, truly, obediently. Informal letter, subscriptions, how to write like this: yours affectionately, yours lovingly. Next one is the signature. The address on the envelope on the subscription. This needed for a letter to be sent by post or courier. So address on the envelope. How to write the address on the envelope? Communication subscription. So a letter must not and abruptly simply write the writer's name. So we have to write the letters. So just to follow these points, how to write The question is, write a letter to your class teacher requesting leave for these 3 days to attend a wedding. So first step one is write a date and month of your Pudukottai. So the month of June 3rd, 2021, Pudukottai. This is the first step. So when you write, so just mention the date. And next to one, um, sender of the address is address of this sender from Satish 8th A, 8th standard A section, Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School and Pudukkottai. So this is a second step. And next one, third step is the address of the receiver. So who received? So the students has to write the class teacher, his higher educator, his higher authorities. So the class teacher, 8th standard A section, Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Pudukkottai. Next step, salutation, respected sir or madam. So in official letter, we have to follow like this: respected sir or madam. So if your class teacher is male, you have to write respected sir. If your class teacher is a female, you have to write respected madam only. So don't put sir or madam, both. So write anyone, sir or madam, write anyone. And fifth step is the body of the letter. So communication, that means is a communication or body of the letter. So this is of course the letter itself, and the style in which it is written will depend upon the kind of letter you wish to write. So what do you want? So what you have to write in the message content, so convey into the body of the letter. I will not be able to attend the classes from June 4th 2021 to month of June 6th 2021, as I have to attend a wedding at Chennai. Hence I request you to grant me leave for these 3 days. So this is the body of the letter. And sixth step, thanking you, that is the salutation or subscription. So we have to write the subscription. A letter must not end the abruptly, simply with the write's name. So this would look rude. So thanking you. And seventh step, yours obediently. Write your name, put the signature. So signature, this is must come below the subscription. So by use to the name, the address on the envelope, if you need to send by post or courier, you have to write address on the envelope. Okay, the address on the envelope or postcard should be written clearly like this. So the full letter is appear in front of you. So leave letter format. So all students follow this. Like this the format. How to write the leave letter is a official letter from to salutation, body of the letter, and subscription. Next letter writing 2. This is the unplanned reason. Okay, how to write the unplanned reason, but the same like this. Question, write a letter to your class teacher to excuse you for not attending classes. The state reason, leave letter, write on the date, month of June 4th, 2021, and place. And sender of, and address of the sender, Satish A, 8th standard A section, Mount Zion Matriculation High Secondary School, Pudukkottai. And address of the receiver, the class teacher, 8th standard A section, Mount Zion Matriculation High Secondary School, Pudukkottai. And salutation, respected sir or madam. I was unable to attend the classes yesterday. So mention the date, which day you took the leave without information. So you follow this. You follow like this format. As I was not feeling well, kindly excuse my absence. So this is the excuse letter.